Today, Benaulim Block Congress is replying to a recent interview where the MLA was asked a pertinent question whether he is confident of winning on an AAP ticket or as an independent, which he refused to answer. Anyway, coming to the point, where in the interview he blames the Congress as a bigger devil. Now, our answer, the block answer to that is, if we are a bigger devil, why do you want an alliance with us? Benaulim block 6 months ago had already declared that we do not want an alliance with Aam Aadmi Party. We made it very clear. And again we reiterated that Congress does not want an alliance with Aam Aadmi Party. Going back to the interview, he said Congress is more corrupt. If Congress is corrupt, why do you need an alliance? Why do you need to hold the hands of a corrupt party? Have you gone back to your own party and seen what has happened in Delhi? Where was your chief minister? Where was your deputy chief minister in judicial custody for the liquor gate? Have people forgotten about that? What has happened to the Shish Mahal, which was built by your former chief minister of Delhi? Have the Benaulim MLA forgotten about that? You all have come up with a big bang saying that we will bring in the Lokpal. 2 terms have passed. You did not keep up to the promise of Lokpal. Where is the Lokpal? Contrary, you are pushing the blame or you are pointing fingers at us saying we are the big corrupt party. If we are the corrupt party, I don't think you need an alliance with the Congress. And your former chief minister has already declared that he does not want an alliance with the Congress. Then how come your local leaders, your local president and the Benaulim MLA is looking for an alliance? I don't think you need to have an alliance if we are the corrupt party. Congress is very strong in Benaulim, and Congress can manage and win Benaulim on its own. We do not need an alliance with AAP.
So interview जातिल्लो आमचो लोकल MLA जे इंटरव्यून आता म्हणटा काँग्रेस पक्ष इज अ लेसर डेव्हल आणि बिगर डेव्हल म्हणून कॅटेगरायज करता. इन माय ओपिनियन हो एक स्टेटमेंट जो त्यांनी केला तो इज हायली इरिस्पॉन्सिबल स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम आय वुड से इमॅच्युअर पॉलिटिशियन. कित्याक एक वदान तो क्रिटिसायज करता काँग्रेसाक आणि कॅटेगरायज करता, दुसऱ्या वदान म्हणटा अलायन्स करपाची गरज आसा. So I think the MLA should refrain from making such statements.